Adjectives. We use an adjective to describe a noun. Usually, the adjective comes before the noun it describes. If it comes after it, we must use between the noun and the adjective a linking verb. The linking verbs: be, seem, appear, taste, feel, look. These verbs are used as linking verbs when they are between a noun and an adjective, and can be replaced by verb to be. And if they are followed by a noun, they are used as action verbs. Example: he seemed happy. We can say he was happy. It tastes good. We can say it is good. But if we say I taste the cake, we can't say I am the cake. So it is not a linking verb.